Welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious Sri Lankan style chili potato. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 6 potatoes which is boiled and cut into cubes. I have about 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 6 cardamom, a few curry leaves which is chopped, about 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, about 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Now take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best combination for this recipe. Now let's add about 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks, about 6 pieces of cardamom, now let's add about 1 full tablespoon of chili flakes. You can alter the chili flakes according to your taste. Let's also add a few curry leaves and 2 large onions which is sliced. Stir fry all the ingredients. Keep the flame in medium or slow so that the chili flakes does not burn and get dark. At this stage, let's add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This gives a nice color to the dish. Also add sufficient salt. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt. While boiling the potatoes, add a little salt and boil it for about 4 whistles in a pressure cooker and cut it into medium cubes. Now let's add the boiled potatoes and stir fry all the ingredients together. Check the seasoning and keep frying it in the oil. Now let's squeeze about half a lime and mix all the ingredients together. Keep the flame in medium and keep roasting till the potatoes are nice and crispy. This is a very good side dish for rice and also for chapati. That's it, friends. A delicious chili potato Sri Lankan style is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.